Boss Lady Beauty presents Hair Loss Professionals Workshop. The Hair Loss Professionals Workshop will provide professionals that specialize in hair loss with the education, tools, and training they need to help propel their business to the next level of success.
I know this track only could be this wide because this is the exact same length I said it was going to be on the head.
You will also learn about the sewing machine technique, wig making. At the HLP workshop, you will learn about the hair replacement business, pricing, marketing, and much, much more. The man weave. www.weavelikeaboss.com. Remember, you too can weave like a boss.